So if most Feng Shui advice is wrong, what actually works? Let's keep this simple. If you're a beginner, there are only 3 rules that really matter.
Rule number 1, flow. Energy needs to move. If your space blocks movement, it creates resistance. Think about your home. Do you move easily, or do you constantly adjust your path? Every small block adds friction to your day.
Rule number 2, light. Light affects your energy immediately. Bright space, you feel clearer. Dark space, you feel slower.
And again, you think it's you, but most of the time, it's just the environment.
Rule number 3, command position. Where you sit or sleep matters more than you think. You should be able to see the entrance, not directly in front, but clearly visible.
Why? Because your brain needs to feel safe. If you can't see what's coming, your body stays slightly tense, and that affects your focus and your rest.
So again, flow, light, and position. If you fix just these 3, you'll already feel a difference. If you want to apply this, I made a beginner checklist below. But here's the question, can Feng Shui actually change your life, or is this just small improvements? That's what I'll show in the next video.